Windows Spotlight not changing picture on Windows? Here are 5 ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. You can also support us through Buy Me a Coffee. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're connected to the internet. Check if you're connected to the internet. If you're connected through Wi-Fi, make sure to connect with Ethernet and see if that solves the issue. Method 2. The next thing you need to do is make sure your date and time is set correctly. Press the Windows plus I keys to open Settings. Click on Time and Language. Select Date and Time. Enable the Set Time Automatically toggle. Next, click on Time Zone and select the correct time zone of your region. Method 3. Another thing you can do is update your Windows. Type Check for Updates in the search bar and select the top result. Click on Check for Updates and wait for Windows to check for the available updates. Download and install the available updates and then restart your PC. Don't have a solution so far? After the video ends, join our Facebook group where our experts help users just like you solve tech issues every day. Join the group from the link in the description or the pinned comment and ask for help. We promise to help you out. Method 4. The next thing you can do is disable and enable Spotlight. Press the Windows plus I keys to open Settings. Click on the Personalization option and select Lock Screen. In the Personalize Your Lock Screen drop-down, select Picture and then again select Windows Spotlight. Method 5. The next thing you can do is re-register Spotlight using PowerShell. Right-click on the Start menu and select Terminal Admin. Once it opens, make sure the tab is Windows PowerShell. If it's not, click on the arrow icon next to it and select Windows PowerShell. Now type this command and press Enter. The command is given in the description of this video, so you can simply copy-paste it. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solve your problem. Support our dedicated team of troubleshooters and editors directly through Buy Me a Coffee. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.